Sorry. Imagine a public space that has all important qualities, such as accessibility, aesthetics, capacity for social cohesion, and overall engagement. But the question is, do we have such spaces around us? And more importantly, who is going to answer this question? So the best possible way to answer this is the users of public space, which is the community itself. There are several ways to do it. During my master's research, which is in South Asian context in Seoul, South Korea, I have conducted interviews to do such studies. But later on, during my PhD studies in doctoral program, I used my design-based skills to go into the field and map out all the social interactions, social production of spaces, and the production of spaces that revolves around it. But in this study that I'm doing in Lower Mainland, Canada, I used a quantitative tool called Smart PLS, in which I did this structural model assessment to identify the importance of variable. Building on the concepts of Jane Jacobs, 1961, an urban activist, I developed this human agency and community participation in understanding the space, something which is very limited in the urban context of Canadian urban studies. A structured questionnaire was developed, and it was spread along all the media sources, as well as the QR codes are placed in the most popular places in Lower Mainland, Vancouver, Surrey, Langley, Abbotsford, Chilliwack, everywhere. The result came out as statistically significant, and the model was excellent fit. The findings show that in order of importance, safety was the most important factor that is needed in these public spaces. Secondly, accessibility. And lastly is the diversity that incorporates these spaces. Now, the study recommends that in order to provide safety, there is need for a better lighting and visibility. For accessibility, we need to provide infrastructure that supports walkability, movability, and also the source of public transportation. Lastly, to incorporate diversity, we need to design better spaces to incorporate livability and sustainability in these spaces. Thank you.